I have to go to the hardware store, so I thought I'd try to look like a carpenter. Pretty bad, isn't it? Doesn't matter. Let's go. Okay, today I need to go buy a latch for this door. When I built it, I couldn't put a latch on the outside until I got the fence wrapped around it. So I put this little one in here that I can open with a screwdriver, but it's a little harder to close. I wanted the one on the inside so that when I'm in here, I can shut the door and keep my pets out so they don't run in and tear up all the plants. But now I need to put one outside right here, and I don't have a lot. I've got this little skinny 2x4, so I gotta get one that fits there. So I'm going to take this 2x4 with me so I can make sure I get one that will fit it. Let's go to the hardware store. Hi-ho, hi-ho, off to the hardware store we go. Get out of my way, buddy. I will mow you over. You better move. Let's go, let's go, let's go! And here we are, the Home Depot. They should have exactly what I'm looking for. Let's go get a latch. I got a mint in my mouth, so I'm talking funny. Let's go. Wow, this must be a meeting of Weight Watchers. You guys are looking good. Nice and thin. I get so easily distracted. What am I here for? Down this aisle? Okay. Okay, that's okay. I'll find it. Yeah, we're good. Right here we are.
Gotcha. It's because it's the second time I'm in the store. Like I wasn't normally in another store. So
yeah.
It's
well, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
You.
Take it easy.
Okay. This could take a while. What do I need? Something small. I'll find something. I think one of these four should work. But I forgot to bring my little piece of wood in with me. So I need to find a piece of wood. But I think that one will fit. This one is zinc plated, so it won't rust. So many choices. I like that one. I don't think it'll fit. You know what else I should get? A handle. I didn't even think about that. I believe this little one right here will work just perfectly. Fine, how are you?
You find everything okay?
Yeah. There I go getting distracted again. I don't know how I ever get anything done. That is really cool. And it's like, wow, it's got to be 7, 8 feet tall. Yes, sir. Whoa. Whoa. Scared the crap out of me. I don't like you. Do you do something? What do you do? Nothing? You look like you do something. Nope.
witching hour is here.
Yes, ma'am.
There's nothing to be afraid of.
I'm not so sure about that. Whoa.
Now you come over here. I'm sure you taste much better when you're afraid.
Yikes. Now that makes me wonder if you do something. Yes, you do.
Get him downstairs.
I think I got what I needed. Let's check out. It's time to go. It is a really bright day today. It's time to go home and put the latch on. Look at you. You know you're cute. Just look at you. Yeah. Look at you. Pretty puddin'. Pretty puddin'. Yeah. I think you're eating a little too many Friskies there, buddy. Yeah. You're getting a big belly. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Whoa. Wrong attachment. I'm using heavier duty screws, more power. Now I just have to put the handle on. Yay! All done! Goodbye, everybody, and have a wonderful day.